Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rapid Maths Trick. In this video, we are going to learn multiplication tricks. In this video, we are going to cover some new tricks on multiplication. Trick 1. How to multiply any number by 5. Trick 2. How to multiply any number by 8. Trick 3. How to multiply any number by 14. Let us try to solve few problem on trick 1, which is how to multiply any number by 5. Problem 1. Multiply 35 by 5. Let's start. Step 1. First we multiply the number 35 by 10, and we get 350 as the answer. Step 2. Now we will divide the result obtained in step 1 by 2, and we get 175 as the answer. Hence, the final answer is 175. Problem 2. Multiply 999 by 5. Let's start. Step 1. Now we multiply the number 999 by 10, and we get 9990 as the answer. Step 2. Now we will divide the result obtained in step 1 by 2, and we get 4995 as the answer. Hence, the final answer is 4995. Now, let us solve few problems on trick 2, which is how to multiply any number by 8. Problem 1. Multiply 72 by 8. Let's start. Step 1. First we will add the number 72 by itself, and we get 144 as the answer. Step 2. Now we will double the result which is obtained in step 1, and we get 288 as the answer. Step 3. Next we will again double the result which is obtained in step 2, and we get 576 as the answer. Hence, the final answer is 576. Problem 2. Multiply 157 by 8. Let's start. Step 1. First we will add the number 157 by itself, and we get 314 as the answer. Step 2. Now we will double the result which is obtained in step 1, and we get 628 as the answer. Step 3. Next we will again double the result which is obtained in step 2, and we get 1256 as the answer. Hence, the final answer is 1256. Now, we will solve few problem on trick 3, which is how to multiply any number by 14. Problem 1. Multiply 73 by 14. Let's start. Step 1. First we will multiply the number 73 by 7, and we get 511 as the answer. Step 2. Now we will multiply the result obtained in step 1 by 2, and we get 1022 as the answer. Hence, the final answer is 1022. Problem 2. Multiply 344 by 14. Let's start. Step 1. First we will multiply the number 344 by 7, and we get 2408 as the answer. Step 2. Now we will multiply the result obtained in step 1 by 2, and we get 4816 as the answer. Hence, the final answer is 4816. Now, I will give some questions for practice. First, multiply 1732 by 5. Second, multiply 3256 by 8. Third, multiply 865 by 14. For any queries, please comment below, and we would reply to your queries. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Rapid Maths Tricks for more knowledgeable videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. In this video, we completed multiplication trick, and in next video we will cover divisibility rule.